Coalescing dehydration oil purifier can not only remove impurities from the oil, it also completely solves the problems of excessive water from the oil. And this Coalescing dehydration oil filter machine is applied in the South Africa customers in the filtration and dehydration systems of steam turbine oil. It can not only effectively remove coarse particles and impurities from the liquid, prevent these coarse particles from entering the liquid circulation through oil purifier. It also separates the water by Coalescing separation process, extending the service life of the oil without changing the properties of the turbine oil, ensuring the normal operation of the equipment.